Hello students, I am Dr. Pallavi Gupta here. Today I am going to teach you constitutional provisions related to elections. Part 14. Part 15 of the Constitution of India is related to elections. It has Article 324 to 329. It conferred power on the Election Commission to make provisions or to conduct elections and other related issues, which we will discuss in this lecture. Article 324 provides that superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in an election commission. Very specifically, this article subclause 1 says that all elections to parliament and the legislature of every state and the election to the office of president and vice president shall be held under this constitution under the superintendence, direction and control of the Election Commission of India. Subclause 2 says that the Election Commission of India shall consist with Chief Election Commissioner or with other members as appointed by the President. Although it is subject to the provision of the law made by the Parliament. Subclause 3 says that Election Commission, when appointed with the Chief Election Commissioner and other members, then the Chief Election Commissioner shall be chairman. Regional Election Commissioner will be appointed as mentioned under subclause 4, that before general election to the House of People and Legislative Assembly of each state, and before the first general election, and thereafter before each biennial election to the Legislative Council of each state, having such council, a regional commissioner may be appointed to assist Election Commission. Subclause 5 says that the conditions of the service and tenure of the office of Election Commissioner and Regional Commissioner shall not be effected by the President or by any rule. Further, it is provided under this act as a proviso that the Chief Election Commissioner shall not be removed except in the manner as the judge of the Supreme Court removed. The election commissioner, other election commissioner or regional commissioner shall not be removed from the office except on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. So, this subclause 6 says that the president or the governor shall be available to the election commission or regional commissioner as required to discharge the function as conferred on the election commission if required. So, meaning thereby Article 23-24 is reserved for the power of the Election Commission of India. Now, who can cast vote or who can be voter? Article 325 says that no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on the ground of religion, race, caste or sex. Says that there shall be one general election, there shall be one general electoral roll for every territorial constituency for election to either House of Parliament or to the House or either House of the Legislature of a state. No person shall be ineligible for inclusion in any such roll or claim to be included in any special electoral roll for any such constituency on ground only of religion, race, caste, sex or any of them. Meaning thereby they are not disqualified to be included in the electoral roll on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex or any of them. Election on the basis of adult suffrage. Article 326 says that election to the House of the People and the Legislative Assembly of the state to be on the basis of adult suffrage. The election to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of every state shall be on the basis of adult suffrage. Every person who is a citizen of India and who is not less than 18 years of the age on such date as fixed in this behalf or under any law shall be entitled to cast his vote. But he must not be disqualified under the Constitution or any law made by the legislature or on the ground of non-residence unsoundness of mind, crime, or corrupt or illegal practice. If law is made on this ground, if they are disqualified on this ground, they will not be entitled to cast their vote. Otherwise, are entitled to be registered as a voter at any such election if they are citizen of India and not less than 18 years of age. Power of Parliament to make law with respect to election. Article 327 provides that Parliament may time to time make law with respect to all matters relating to or in connection with the election to either House of Parliament or to the House or either House of Legislature of a state, including the preparation of electoral rolls, the delimitation of constituencies, and all other matters which are necessary to secure the due constitution of each house or houses. Meaning thereby power is conferred to Parliament to make law with respect to election to either house of Article 328 is saying it provides that power of legislature of a state to make provision with respect to election to such legislature. Like Parliament, state legislature is also having a power to make law with respect to matters of the election it include the power to make law with respect to electoral rolls and all other matters which are necessary. Article 329. This is talking about the role of court with respect to handle the dispute related to election. It says that the validity of any law relating to delimitation of constituencies or the allotment of the seats to such constituencies which are made under Article 327 or Article 328 shall not be called in question in any court. Clause B is saying that no election to either House of Parliament or to the House or either House of Legislature of a state shall be called in question except by election petition which is presented to authority as provided by the law made by the legislature, meaning thereby if there is a dispute related to election, then it will be produced only to the authority which is authorized under the law. At present, the election petition will be produced in the High Court. Earlier, the matter was handled by the election tribunal, but now it is repealed in 1979. The now matter goes to High Court with respect to election dispute. So these are the provisions, constitutional provisions related to election. Under these provisions, Election Commission of India makes rule. Under this provision, Parliament or state legislature makes rule with respect to all matters of election to conduct free and fair election in India. The next topic for discussion is, or I will take up as lecture, the Insight of Representation of People Act 19 51. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.